Ako si Junel Rayos at sa halagang 150,000 pesos, meron akong negosyong cafe. Nagsimula ang aming negosyo nung 2020. This is a pandemic baby business. So we started off as a plant shop sa bahay. And then eventually, we decided na dahil napuno ng halaman yung bahay namin at maraming bumibili, we decided to move it out and find a place where people can go para bumili ng mga halaman. After 2 years, after pandemic, we decided to expand the plant shop into a plant shop cafe. Ang main goal namin is to bring people together to create a community. So kung mapapansin niyo yung aming coffee shop has a big table, it's because we cater to workshops and to build communities. It's not just the plants but also the ambience. When you get inside, mafe-feel nyo na para kayong nasa garden, yung ambience niya, hindi lang aesthetic. So, yung mga menu at yung mga food na ginawa namin dito, I specifically researched about it. I studied, I became barista 2 years ago. I am a test the holder. Test the holder talaga. So, may NC2 ako for barista. So, yung mga products na bibili nyo dito, basics. Of course, we have the coffee, no? Also, we have yung mga plant items na ginagamit sa mga halaman. Like ito, yung mga pandilig. Plus, yung mga home essentials. Like itong candles namin. This is 100% pure soy wax candle. Mga sprays, room and linen mist na kami lang din ang gumawa. Also, we have food. May mga pastas kami, may mga pastries din kami dito like yung cookies, brownies. Also, we have car diffusers. Meron din kami ditong kinikater dried flowers. So, we do customize din yung. Before all this business, technically, we are content creators. So, we do vlogs. We've been vlogging since 2016. Plus, ako, kumakanta rin ako. And also, on the side before, I was doing events management. So, I do hosting. At the same time, I do mga pang wedding organizing. The challenges na naharap namin during creating the business is actually trying to survive during the time of, pandemic. Yung challenges na naharap namin was to continue to find kung paano maging profitable ang isang business na we feel na parang hindi na ganun ka-trending or hindi na ganun parang kapatok to create a business venture based on doon sa unang ginawa namin and how to actually grow it. Kung titingnan ko yung buhay ko before and now, hindi talaga siya ganun kadali for me. But it is challenging because I could stay at home doing the same things like before, doing content creation. Kumbaga parang ito rin yung naging way for me to understand more about myself. Part of it is myself. So, kumbaga parang kung ano yung magiging development nito, this is also the way I see myself at the moment. Yung tip na mabibigay ko sa mga nagsisimula pa lang magnegosyo or nag-iisip pa lang magnegosyo is that don't be afraid to take a risk. Naniniwala ako that even if you fail, you learn from it, you gain something. Kailangan ninyong subukan dahil pag hindi nyo sinubukan, hindi nyo rin malalaman. Kaya tara, negosyo tayo!